Even the busiest days deserve a pause, a moment to breathe, refresh, and feel like yourself again. Today, we're following Taylor, someone who's been running from studio to studio, tours, rehearsals, interviews, until she finally said, "Today is for me." Let's join her on this relaxing trip to one of the most elegant beauty salons in the city.
Hi, welcome to Glow Beauty Studio. Oh, wow. Taylor? What can I do for you today?
Hi, yeah, I just really need a self-care day. I'm hoping to get my hair done and maybe a manicure if possible.
Of course. Do you have an appointment?
No appointment. I just walked in. Do you take walk-ins?
Absolutely. And you're lucky. We're not too busy today.
A perfect phrase when you don't book in advance. Do you take walk-ins?
So, what are you thinking for your hair today?
I want something fresh but still natural. Maybe a trim, blow dry. And honestly, my hair feels a little tired from constant styling.
In that case, you might like our Keratin treatment. It smooths, softens, and adds shine.
That sounds amazing! Let's do a trim, blowout, and the keratin treatment.
Perfect. Emily will take great care of you.
Hi, Taylor. I'll be your stylist today. So, what kind of look are you going for?
Nothing too drastic. Just a trim, maybe 2 centimeters. I want to keep the length. And maybe light layers around the face. Something soft.
Your hair is beautiful, but yes, the ends are a little dry. Keratin will help a lot. And light layers will give movement without losing length.
Exactly what I want.
See? Clear communication makes everything easier.
Let me know if the water's okay.
Feels perfect. This is heavenly.
Would you like a scalp massage?
Yes, please. I need this more than you know. Oh, it tingles. I love it.
Okay, 2 centimeters off. Let me know if you want more.
No, this is perfect. I always get nervous cutting my hair.
Totally normal. But trust me, you look amazing already.
Oh, thank you.
How's this length?
Love it. It's soft and natural. It smells like coconut.
This formula is gentle, perfect for long blonde hair. We'll let it sit for 15 minutes. Would you like tea, water, maybe something warm?
Tea would be great. Something calming. Thank you. I think this is the first time I've sat still all week.
That's the magic of a salon. Time slows down.
Waves or straight?
Soft waves, please. Something natural, like effortless. Oh, wow. It looks so shiny.
That's the keratin glow.
It feels like silk. I'm obsessed.
In a world full of noise, sometimes the quietest moments become the most meaningful.
Hi, Taylor. Ready for your manicure?
Absolutely. I need a little nail therapy today.
What color are you feeling today? We've got nude, pastel, glossy, gel, French tips.
Nude gel. Maybe something soft, like a pink beige.
Ah, rosé latte, our most popular nude shade.
Yes, let's do that. I love almond shape. It looks elegant.
Totally, it suits your hands perfectly.
This is so relaxing.
Honestly, doing nails is like a meditation. Do you get much time for yourself?
Not really. Life gets busy. Music, rehearsals, travel. It's easy to forget to rest.
You deserve it, though. Everyone sees your work, but they forget you're human, too.
Thank you. Yeah, today feels really good. Oh wow, this might be my favorite part.
Hand massages are underrated. They relieve so much tension. How was everything today?
Absolutely amazing. Exactly what I needed.
Your total comes to $85.
Do you take card?
Of course. Card, mobile payment, anything. Would you like to book your next appointment?
Yes. Let's do 4 weeks from today. Same time.
Done. We'll see you then, Taylor.
And that was Taylor's full self-care day at the beauty salon. From the soothing scalp massage, to the soft waves, to the peaceful manicure. Every moment brought her back to herself. If you enjoyed this calming journey, or learned new English phrases for real life, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time. Take care and treat yourself. You deserve it.